Hello and welcome to day 7 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on making friends and small talk in English. These skills are important in daily life because they help you meet new people, build connections, and feel confident in conversations. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Imagine you are really talking to someone new. Let's begin. Greetings and introductions. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? Hello, how's it going? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. It's great to see you. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well. I'm okay. Not bad, thanks. I'm a little tired. I'm very happy today. Asking basic questions. What's your name? My name is Anna. And you? Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from France. Where do you live? I live in New York. I live near the park. I live in a small town. Talking about work or study. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse. I work in an office. I work at a school. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. No, it's difficult but interesting. I enjoy studying English. Talking about hobbies. What are your hobbies? I like reading. I like cooking. I like playing soccer. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I love traveling. I like learning English. Do you like sports? Yes, I love sports. No, I prefer reading. Do you like music? Yes, I listen to music every day. No, I don't listen to music often. Talking about daily life. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually meet my friends. I sometimes go shopping. I often study English. I usually visit my family. I sometimes go to the park. I often watch movies. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up late on weekends. I go to bed early on weekdays. Friendly topics. Do you like coffee or tea? I like coffee. I prefer tea. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I like sushi. I love pasta. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. I like rock music. I like classical music. I enjoy all kinds of music. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. I like action movies. I enjoy comedies. I like watching cartoons. Polite, friendly expressions. That sounds great. Really? Me too. Wow, that's interesting. I like that too. I understand. That's cool. Good idea. It was nice talking with you. See you again soon. Have a great day. Take care. Small talk about weather. How's the weather today? It's sunny. It's raining. It's cold today. It's very hot. It's cloudy. The weather is nice. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I like the rain. No, I prefer sunny days. Do you like winter? Yes, I love winter. No, I prefer summer. Short conversation 1. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing well. What's your name? My name is David. What's your name? I'm Maria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. And you? I'm from Canada. That's great. Short conversation 2. Hello. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. How about you? I like rock music. That's cool. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Wow, that's amazing. Short conversation 3. Hi, what do you usually do on weekends? I usually meet my friends. How about you? I usually study English and go shopping. That's nice. Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping for clothes. I like shopping for books. That's interesting. Extended role play. Let's practice a longer conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How are you? I'm fine. What's your name? My name is Sarah. And yours? I'm John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from? I'm from the United States. How about you? I'm from Thailand. That's interesting. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What about you? I'm a student. I study English. That's great. Do you like learning English? Yes, I enjoy it. I study every day. Good for you. What do you usually do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. How about you? I like playing soccer and listening to music. That sounds fun. What kind of music do you like? I like jazz. And you? I like pop music. Nice. It was very nice talking with you. It was nice talking with you too. See you next time. See you. Motivational sentences. I can make friends in English. I can start conversations with new people. I can ask and answer simple questions. I can talk about my hobbies and daily life. I can use polite expressions in English. I feel more confident when I speak. I am improving every day. I enjoy
learning English step by step. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress.
Great work today. You practiced greetings, introductions, small talk, and friendly conversations. These are very useful for making friends in English and speaking with confidence. Come back tomorrow for day 8 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.